Hello, I'm Dr. Laura Marciando from the Department of Family Medicine at the Gundersen Lutheran Health System in La Crosse, Wisconsin. I have reviewed the Swing into Shape exercise video and found these exercises to be safe and effective for developing strength and flexibility. Consult your physician prior to beginning any exercise program. Stop if anything is uncomfortable or if anything is painful. Call your healthcare provider if any problems or concerns arise.
Hello, I'm Linda Larson, a registered clinical exercise physiologist at Gundersen Lutheran Health System. This is level 2 in the Swing into Shape series. We'll be doing stretching and strengthening exercises first, sitting in a chair, then standing. This segment is a bit more challenging than level 1, so stop and rest if you need to, and join me when you're ready. Go at your own pace. You may notice a slight increase in your breathing and heart rate with these exercises, but this is normal. You should feel comfortable throughout this video. If you get dizzy, short of breath, or have pain of any kind, contact your healthcare provider. You will need a chair, preferably one without arms, comfortable clothes, and good shoes. In level 2, we'll start with stretching the neck, head, back, and shoulders, and we'll work our way down to hips and legs. So let's get started. Get comfortable on your chair, a little bit on the end so that you can keep your back straight. Your shoulders are back. We're going to start with 2 deep breaths. In through your nose, out through your mouth. Good. Again, in and out. Good job. Our first exercise, we're going to turn our head to the side, stretching our neck muscles. Nice and gentle, coming to the front and going to the other side. Let's do that again. Look over your shoulder, to the middle, and to the side. Good. Coming back to the front, we're going to tip our head, ear towards your shoulder. Let those muscles stretch in your neck. You'll feel them. And when you're ready, come to center and tip to the other side. Good. Back to middle. We're going to drop our chin to our chest. Let the weight of your head kind of pull through, stretching out your upper back and neck. And when you're ready, come on back up. We're going to do a half circle, so that's side, down through the middle, and to the other side. Stop. So it's a half a circle just to the front, not through the back. Good. Let's do one more each direction. You can stop anywhere along the way. Stretch out the neck a little bit more if you've got a tight spot. And let's finish up over here. Good start. Continuing with our shoulders, we're going to shrug them up and down, raising them, pushing them back down, up and down, up. Let's try one at a time. There we go. Big stretch. And next we're going to circle. We'll lift them up, circle them back. Up, pull them back. You get a nice stretch through your chest. Hands stay down on your legs. Up and back. Let's do 2 more. Up and back. Up and back. And we can change directions. We lift up and shrug forward. Drop your chin to your chest. You'll feel a nice stretch through your upper back. Good. And finishing up here, we're going to raise our hands up over our head. Inhale and exhale on the way down. We'll go again. Up, inhale, reach as high as you're comfortable, and exhale. One more big stretch, big breath in and out. Same sort of thing to the side this time. Lead with your thumbs all the way up and all the way down. Nice and straight. Inhale. Exhale. One more. In and out. Good job. Raise one arm up. We're going to hold on right here with one side. Reach a little over the top and feel a stretch. Starting from your hip, going all the way up through your arm. Big stretch. And bring that arm down. Let's lift the other side and stretch through that side. Excellent. Good. Good stretching. We're going to continue with our strengthening. Hands are facing forward like this. We're going to press our arms up over our shoulders and turn and pull them down. So we press up with our shoulder strength. We turn and we pull down with our arm strength. Press up and pull down. Good. Continue. Go as high as you're comfortable and pull down. Pushing up, pulling down, using this tricep strength to pull down and back. Pull up, pull down, lift up, pull down. Good. We've got 2 more to do. We're working towards 8, sometimes 10 reps. So you should try to do for yourself at home. Let's do 1 more. If you can't get through all of them, stop, rest when you need to. Good job. You can always join us again. Our next stretch, we're going to go behind the back with one hand. This is a bit of a challenge. The other hand comes up and down. The object is to try to reach those fingertips towards each other. It's a big stretch. Give it a try. Good. And let's switch to the other side. So now this hand comes behind your back. Reach up with this hand, bend at the elbow, and try and touch those fingertips. If you can touch, you've done a really good job. This is a good test of your flexibility in your shoulders. So keep working on that. All right. As we continue, arms are here in the front. We're going to pull the elbows back. They're out to the side, and as we pull and we stretch to the chest, I want you to squeeze those shoulder blades together in the back. We pull and we squeeze. Good. Pull and squeeze. Good. It's a stretch and it's strengthening all at the same time. Good job. Let's do 2 more. Good job. Yeah, continue. We're going to stretch through our upper back. One hand goes behind the next. Press out. Round your back. Drop your chin. And you get a good stretch through your upper back and shoulder area. Good. Now take that stretch straight up. Nice and tall in the chair. Good job. Elbow up. We're going to wrap it around. A slight twist through the torso. Good. And let's try it again on this side. Pulling through the shoulder, through the tricep. Looking over your shoulder. And we're going to add to that a torso stretch. We're going to turn in our chair this time. Put your hand here on this side of your leg as you reach back for the chair. This is a big stretch. Do as much as you can comfortably. And to the other side, stretching through your torso. All right, good job. Next is a bicep curl. We're going to curl our arms up in this position, drop them down, turn our hands over, and press back. So it's a curl here, and it's a tricep press back. Curl it in, press it back. Good. Your elbows stay right here at your waist, and then you press back with your shoulders, with your arms. Good. Our last exercise for our upper body. Then we're going to move and do some work on our lower body. Good. Let's do 2 more bicep curls. In, press back, in, and press back. Good job. All right. Reposition in the chair, get comfortable. Shoulders are back, and we're going to continue with some marching. One knee and then the other. Kind of get the blood moving so that we can do some lower leg work. Up and up. At your own pace, using your leg strength. Couple more. Excellent. Now, working on one side, we're going to concentrate on this strengthening of this side, this leg. We're going to lift, extend, bend, and lower. We're going to stay on the same side, really working on strengthening your thigh muscles up here. There you go. Use your abdominal strength. Pull them in, pull it in towards your back. It stabilizes your through your middle. Do the best you can. Do as many as you can. Rest when you need to. Let's do 2 more on this side. And last one, we're going to switch to the other leg. It's up, out, in, and down. Up, extending and lifting as far as you can. Remember, it's important to challenge yourself. That's how we get stronger. Muscles have to work a little bit more than what they normally do to get stronger. Got a couple more to do on this side. Let's do 2. Excellent. Good job. Now a little bit of a stretch. We're going to put that heel out in front, leaning forward as much as you can. You'll feel the stretch here underneath the back of your leg. Knee can be a little soft so that you can lean forward a little more. The object is to reach towards your toe. Hold that stretch a minute. You can always come back and do more. Switch to the other side. Heel up or heel down, toe up. Bending forward at your comfort level and stretching. Good. Another exercise here for our legs and our hips. We're going to lift one leg at a time, put it out to the side. Bringing it back, we're going to stay on the same side as we lift and lower the leg. Lift and lower, using this leg strength, using your hip strength. This is what you have to do to get in and out of a car. Good exercise to lift and place the foot to the side. Let's do 2 more on this side. Good job. Now the other side. It's lift and turn to the outside. Good job. In and out. We've got 2 more to do. And our last one is here. Good job. Foot out again. We're going to do a little rotation through the hip by dropping our foot in and out. You'll notice that the rotation comes here at your hip. Just nice and relaxed. Let that foot roll in and out, rotating in and out of your hip. And to finish with this foot, we're going to lift and do some point and flex. Point and flex. Stretching our calf muscles, strengthening the front part of our lower leg, not to mention the ankle. 2 more, and then we're going to switch and do the same thing on the other foot. Good. Heel goes out. Nice and relaxed. We let the foot rotate in and out from the hip. If you've had any type of hip replacement, you need to know the limitations. So don't over-rotate. Do as much as you can comfortably. Stay in control. Good. Let's do a point and flex on this foot. We're lifting the foot if you can. If that leg is tired, you can certainly put it down and point and flex. Hold it up for a little bit more of a challenge. Good. Couple more. Excellent. Well, good job with your legs. We're going to continue to do a little bit of abdominal work. So important to keep this core strong. Again, nice position in your chair. Hands go here, feet about shoulder width apart. This is a challenge where you're going to roll yourself back as far as you can and then set yourself back up. So you're going to need to engage your abdominal muscles, chin comes in, and then you pull yourself back up. So down, pull yourself back up. You've got the back of your chair to catch you if by chance you lose control. So go ahead, challenge yourself. See what you can do. The only way those abdominal muscles are going to get stronger, you got to use them. Let's do 2 more. With this exercise, you want to just see how many you can do well. And then each time, try and add a few more. All right, we're going to finish up one last one. Good job. A little bit more abdominal work and leg work at the same time. We're going to roll back, hold this position, and drop your legs in and out. Using the strength of your inner and outer thigh as we do this. Stay in control. It's a nice, slow and controlled movement. Using the strength of your legs. Your abdominals are stabilizing here. They're working hard. Do as many as you can. Rest when you need to. We're working on 8 to 10 reps. Last one. Good job. We've got one more good abdominal challenge. We're going to lean back in our chair with the leg extended. We're going to try and do some leg lifts. We're going to do 10 on each side. You try to do as many as you can, comfortably and well. Watch your form. Use all of your leg and hip strength here. Good job. Let's do 2 more on this leg and switching to the other leg. Up and down. Up and down. Stay in control. Good strengthening exercise. Let's do 2 more. Good ones. Good job. Our next exercise, we're going to practice up and down out of the chair. It's a squat exercise, although it's modified with a chair. Good strength for your legs, for your hips. Hands are here. Try not to use them on the back of the chair. What we're going to do is lean forward, get your weight over your knees, and then go ahead and stand tall. Using the strength of your legs, control it down, set yourself back down. Let's go forward, power up through your thighs, lower yourself down, nice and controlled. See how many you can do. If you start by doing 2 good ones, that's a great start. Just keep adding to it until you can get to 8, 10, however many is a challenge for you. We're going to do a couple more, and then we're going to stand up and do some exercises for our legs and hips standing up. Last one, we're going to stay standing here. Come on up. Good job. Excellent. This time we're going to use our chair for balance, for support. Get ready. We're going to continue on with some leg exercises, this time with your weight on your inside leg. Your front leg or your outside leg is freed up here. The weight is off of it so that we can lift. You're lifting from your hip. You lift as comfortably as high as you can. Again, a little bit of a challenge. It's got to be a challenge to be good. Nice and tall through your back and shoulders, and your abdominals are supporting your back. Let's do one more here. Then we're going to take the same leg, do the same sort of lift to the side. Your knee stays facing forward, so does your foot. Go at your own pace. This leg, a little bend. Just give it a little bit of a bend, it will help. Let's do two more here. Good, and as we continue, same leg, we're going to take it to the back. Take it to the back. Facing forward, shoulders are forward, hips are forward. If you put your hand right back here, you'll feel the muscles working in your hips through your gluteals. Let's do two more lifts to the back. There you go, and we've got one more exercise. Take a half a step back. Your front leg is free, and we're going to cross it over in front of us towards the leg of that chair. Lead with your heel. You're using the muscles on your inside of your thigh, outside of your thigh. Control the movement. It's not a swing, it's a lift and a push. Let's do two more. In and out and in and out. Excellent. That's our series on one side. Now we got to do it on the other side. We're going to move our chair over, or you can walk around. Now we should have the leg that we used on the inside. Our other leg is on the outside, and we'll continue to do our lifts here. 3, 4. See how many you can do. We're going to work up to 8 or 10. As high as you can, but comfortable. Your chair's for balance. Let's do two more here. And remember, same leg, out to the side now. Out to the side, standing nice and tall. Good. Your hand can go here on your hip. Good. Two more. 1, 2. Good. And same leg to the back. Again, facing forward. Now, if you happen to be around a countertop, a kitchen counter, just about the right height, so you could do these exercises in the kitchen, this series for your hips. We've got two more here. Excellent. This is our half a step back so that we can take this outside leg and cross it in. In. Pull it. Good. Good. Let's do two more. Good job. We've got one more set of exercises while we're standing. We're going to use the back of our chair for balance. Feet are comfortable, about shoulder width apart. We're going to raise up on our calves and lower back down. Keep a nice straight line between your shoulders, hips, and knees. You're lifting yourself straight up. Use the strength of your ankles. Use your calf muscles. Pick yourself straight up. Straight up. Good. Do as many as you can. Now we use these muscles. They get warm. They get tight. So the next thing to do after you use them is to stretch them. Take one leg to the back. Press your heel down and back. Front leg is bent. Hold on here. And let those calf muscles stretch. Stretching for about 20 seconds is a good long stretch, maybe 30 if you can be patient. Let's switch to the other side. You can never stretch too much. It's always a good thing. And one last exercise. We're going to practice our balance here for a moment. Balance on one foot, pick up the other foot. And your challenge is to see if you can release, balance without holding on. You've always got your chair here if you need it, or your countertop. But let those ankle muscles, let the feet muscles, let them work for a few minutes. That's how they're going to get stronger, working on your balance. So both of those exercises are very important for your balance. When you're ready, let's try the other side. See what you can do. Let those muscles work. If you need the chair, it's right here. And good job. We're going to return to our chair and finish with some cool down stretches. You've done a great job. You've got a good amount of stretching. You've got some good strengthening exercises, and we're going to finish here. We need to stretch our quad muscles that we use so much, our thigh muscles. We'll do that by turning in the chair, dropping the knee down. We want a nice straight line here between shoulder, hip, and knee. Hang on to that chair. Good idea. Little precarious sitting on the edge, but it's a nice stretch sitting down. Let's switch to the other side. When you're ready, drop the knee down, put it back. Your toe can be under, it can be up. That's up to you. Just let it stretch there for a moment. And when you're ready, continue here in the front. We're going to finish with some shoulder rolls, a couple of more shoulder stretches, just to stretch the muscles that we've used. Excellent. Pressing here, one hand behind the other, rolling through your back, chin to your chest, and taking it up tall. Nice and tall, big stretch, dropping your hands down. There we go. Elbow in front. Let's take it around our body, stretching through your torso, through your shoulder, through your arm. Big stretch. Good. Some deep breaths. Good job if you've gotten through all those exercises. Remember, your goal is to work up to your 8, 10, maybe 12 repetitions, so stay with it. You'll continue to get stronger. Let's take our arms up over our head. Inhale and exhale. Take it up, in and down. One more, big reach if you can. Inhale and exhale. Arms coming to the front, in and out. All right, good job today. Keep working on those exercises. Thank you for joining me for level 2. Remember, by practicing these exercises, you will get stronger, you'll move better, and you'll feel better. Keep up the good work. Here's to a healthier you.